ओके, सो गाइज हमने लास्ट टाइम जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर यहाँ पर 9 8 9 तक हमने खत्म किया है, ठीक है, फ्रॉम योर चैप्टर सेट्स एंड रिलेशंस. ओके, नाउ लेट अस कंटिन्यू विद दैट वट एवर. इसके बाद आगे के क्वेश्चंस ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है. सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद द टॉपिक दैट इज रिलेशंस. ठीक है, रिलेशंस में क्या क्या है, लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड देम फर्स्ट. ठीक है, पहले रिलेशंस में है ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. A pair A, B of a number such that the order in which the number appear is important is called the ordered pair. In general, ordered pair A, B and B, A are different. ठीक है, ordered pair कब बोलते हैं? देखो, अगर आपका ये और ये दो अलग अलग सेट है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर A B C, यहाँ पर 2 5 7 8 ऐसा है, and A is associated with A5, B is associated with 2 and C is associated with 8. तो इसके अंदर ordered pair कैसे बनेगा? A, 5 then B, 2 एंड देन C, 8. ये हम रिलेशन ऐसे डायग्राम, वेन डायग्राम में ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं और ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में इस तरीके से हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, इसके बाद और क्या गिवन है? नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू सेट्स. व्हाट इज कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू सेट्स? आई एक्सप्लेन यू दैट आल्सो. देखो, अगर यहां पर समझ लो कोई दो सेट है, दैट इज द सेट ए इज 1, 2, 3. ठीक है, 1, 2 ही ले लो, ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है. एंड द सेट बी इज ए, बी, सी. ठीक है, सो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट मतलब ए क्रॉस बी इक्वल्स व्हाट? सॉरी, इसके अंदर ए क्रॉस बी में आपके ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स आएंगे, और ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स देखो किस तरीके से आएंगे. 1 इंटू ए, 1, A, उसके बाद 1, B, फाइन, इसके बाद 1, C. ये हो गया. देन 2, A, देन 2, B, देन 2, C. हो गया, खत्म. दैट्स इट, फाइन. दिस इज व्हाट द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, अगर आपको बी क्रॉस ए पूछा जाए तो आपका क्या बनेगा? बी क्रॉस ए में देखो क्या बनेगा. बी क्रॉस ए में A, 1, देन A, 2, देन B, 1, देन B, 2 and C, 1 into C, 2. Are you getting it? फाइन, ये हो गया आपका कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट, राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फाइनाइट सेट्स? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स क्या है? देखो, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फाइनाइट सेट मतलब अगर समझ लो यहां पर आपके नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट ए इज हाउ मच? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट ए इज हाउ मच? 2. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट बी इज हाउ मच? 3. So number of elements in A cross B will be equal to what? Number of elements in A into number of elements in B. That equals 2 into 3. That gives you 6. देखो 6 ही एलिमेंट्स है. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 एलिमेंट्स है. यहाँ पर भी 6 एलिमेंट है. 1 2 3 4 5 6. आपका डेफिनेशन आपको समझना है कि दैट इज नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A क्रॉस B विल ऑलवेज बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A into नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन B. क्लियर? फाइन, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट क्या है आपके रिलेशंस में? नाउ व्हाट इज कोडोमेन, कोडोमेन एंड रेंज? ये भी क्या है, आप ये भी पता कर लो. फाइन, व्हाट इज कोडोमेन, कोडोमेन एंड रेंज? देखो, अगर आपका दो सेट है, इफ दिस इज योर सेट ए एंड दिस इज योर सेट बी, ठीक है, इसमें आपका यहाँ पर ए बी सी इज एसोसिएटेड विथ 1 और 2 और 3 like this. A is associated with 2, B is associated with 1 and C is associated with 3. इसके अंदर डोमेन क्या है? Domain are what? The set of all first component of the ordered pair in the relation is called the domain. इसके अंदर आपका डोमेन जो है that is A, B, C आपका डोमेन है. अब इसी को हम ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में लिखेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे? A, 1, B, 2 and C, 3. C,3। फाइन। तो इनको, इनके अंदर जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है ये सब क्या होंगे, डोमेन। रेंज क्या होंगे, जो भी सेकंड एलिमेंट्स है। द सेट ऑफ ऑल सेकंड कंपोनेंट ऑफ ऑल द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर in a relation R is called the range of the relation. So the range of the relation is 1, 2, 3 इस सेट में. And what is codomain? If R is a relation from A to B, then set B is called the codomain of the relation. ये पूरा सेट B को हम क्या बोलते हैं, कोडोमेन. पूरे सेट B को हम क्या बोलते हैं, कोडोमेन. डोमेन क्या है, फर्स्ट सेट के एलिमेंट्स. रेंज क्या है, सेकंड सेट के एलिमेंट्स. और कोडोमेन क्या है, सेकंड वाला पूरा सेट. पूरा सेट ही क्या है आपका, कोडोमेन. क्लियर है? Okay, next. Now there are types of relation, one relation, many one relation. Okay, so types of relation देख लो यहाँ पर. Now this is one relation, also called as injective relation. अब one relation में क्या है कि एक एलिमेंट एक ही एलिमेंट से एसोसिएट होगा. फाइन. एक एलिमेंट एक ही एलिमेंट से एसोसिएट होगा, देन व्हाट वी से, इट इज अ one relation. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है, वन इज ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड विथ 6. राइट, ये क्या होगा, दिस इज नॉट वन रिलेशन, दैट इज मेनी वन रिलेशन. ठीक है, अगर समझ लो 2 भी आपका 3 से रिलेटेड है, सो दिस इज मेनी एंड वन. मेनी आर रिलेटेड विथ वन, सो दैट विल बी मेनी वन रिलेशन. यहां पर ये क्या है, वन मीन्स वन, एक चीज एक ही चीज से एसोसिएटेड है, देन इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज वन रिलेशन. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज इंजेक्टिव रिलेशन. फाइन. इसके आगे नेक्स्ट इज मेनी वन रिलेशन. मेनी वन रिलेशन में देखो, ये 1 और ये 4, ये दोनों एक ही चीज से एसोसिएटेड है, दैट इज 4. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेड एज मेनी वन रिलेशन. ठीक है, देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच इज रिलेटेड विथ वन, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेड एज मेनी वन रिलेशन. फाइन. नेक्स्ट, द नेक्स्ट इज इनटू रिलेशन. नाउ व्हाट इज इनटू रिलेशन? इनटू मतलब इनटू नहीं. A relation R from A to B is said to be into relation if there exists at least one element in B which has no pre-image in A. अगर कोई एक एलिमेंट है जिसका प्री इमेज नहीं है पीछे, मतलब जो किसी से एसोसिएटेड नहीं है पीछे के एलिमेंट से, देन वी विल से इट एज अ इनटू रिलेशन. ठीक है, और इसी का ऑपोजिट है ऑनटू रिलेशन. देखो ऑनटू क्या, ऑनटू रिलेशन क्या है, देखो ऑनटू इज आल्सो सेड एज सर्जेक्टिव रिलेशन. ऑनटू रिलेशन में क्या है, अ रिलेशन आर फ्रॉम ए टू बी इज सेड टू बी ऑनटू रिलेशन इफ एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ बी इज द इमेज ऑफ सम एलिमेंट ऑफ ए. मतलब यहां पर जितने भी एलिमेंट है वो हमेशा किसी ना किसी का इमेज जरूर होगा. अगर वो किसी ना किसी का इमेज जरूर है तो सच टाइप ऑफ रिलेशंस आर ऑन टू रिलेशन. अगर इनकेस कोई एक एलिमेंट है जिसका कोई पीछे रिलेशन नहीं है, जिसका कोई प्री इमेज नहीं है, देन वी से इट एज अ द रिलेशन इज इनटू रिलेशन. आर यू गेटिंग इट? वेरी गुड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट. अब नेक्स्ट क्या है देख लो, यहां पर वो भी बता रहा हूं. राइट, वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ द रिलेशन. अब यहां पर है, if x minus 1 and y plus 4 is equals to 1 comma 2, find the values of x and y. very easy question, very easy question. ठीक है, यहां पर गिवन है कि that is your x minus 1 and y plus 4 is equals to 1 comma 2. So what, this will be equal to this, therefore x minus 1 will be equal to 1, therefore x equals 2, and y plus 4 equals 2, therefore y equals 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So y equals minus 2 and x equals 2. Very easy question. बहुत easy है. Right? Now let's move to the next. First question is done. Second question is also similar. You can solve by yourself. Do it as homework. Now if A is this and B is this, write A cross B, B cross A cross A and B cross B. So let's write. What is A cross B, A cross? ये आपको relation लिखना है. ठीक है, आपको क्या क्या given है? Your element, your set A equals A comma B comma C, and your set B equals x comma y. राइट, तो आपको इन्होंने पहले बोला है कि a क्रॉस b लिखो. a क्रॉस b क्या आएगा, दिस इनटू दिस, दैट इज a comma x, a comma y, then b comma x, then b comma y, then c comma x and c comma y. हो गया, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, खत्म. Again, similarly, if I want B cross A, then x comma A, x comma B, x comma C, y comma A, y comma B, and y comma C. Bracket close. हो गया. Next, if they ask what is A cross A, that will be A cross A, मतलब A और A का ही relation. That is A comma A, A comma B, A comma C. Then B comma A, B comma B, and B comma C. Then C comma A, C comma B, and C comma C. हो गया. Clear? Similarly, B cross B भी लिखना है तो वो भी आप लिख सकते हो. Fine. I hope ये तो आप लिख पाओगे अभी. Yeah. Now let's move to the next. ये हो गया. If P is this and Q is this, find the sets P cross Q and Q cross P. Okay? ये आप कर सकते हो. That's very easy. Next. Next is अगर आपका set A given है, set B given है, and set C given है, you have to find what is A cross B intersection C. A cross B into intersection A cross C. ठीक है, तो इसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चन करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स डू सम ऑफ देम. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन लेता हूं मैं साइड में. कौन? फाइन, चलो आई विल स्टार्ट. देखो यहाँ पर A is given, B is given and C is given. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपका A, B and C, all of them are there. So let's find what is this A cross B. कौन सा फाइंड करेंगे? चलो ये सेकेंड वाला फाइंड करते हैं. व्हाट इज A क्रॉस B? A आपका है 1, 2, 3, 4 और B आपका है 4, 5, 6. फाइन. सो व्हाट इज A क्रॉस B इक्वल्स? A क्रॉस B इक्वल्स 1, 2, sorry not 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Fine. So this will be what? Your A cross B. Now what is your A cross C? C equals what? 5, 6. So what is A cross C equals 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6. Fine. Now what they have said? You have to find the intersection. A cross B intersection A cross C. Now what is common between both of them? This 1, 5, 1, 5 is common. 1, 6, 1, 6. 2, 4 is not common. 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5 and 4, 6. So that is actually equal to A cross C only. That is this whole set is there. That is 1, will directly, okay, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6. Right? Which is also, we can say it is equivalent to the set A cross C. Clear? I hope you all are getting it. Okay. Now express x comma y x square plus y square equals 100, where x comma y belongs to whole number as a set of ordered pairs. Okay. Now let's solve question number 6. See what is given over here. X square plus y square equals 100. What is given? X square plus y square equals 100. Now x square plus y square, when they are equal to 100, for which all values? Where x is a whole number. right? We know that if when x equals 0, when x equals 0 and y equals 10, at that time it is possible, that is 0 square plus 10 square will be equal to 100. Also, when x equals 10 and y equals 0, at that time also it is possible. The other way when it is possible is when x equals 6 and y equals 8, because 6 square plus 8 square, that gives you 36 plus 64, which gives you 100, right? So also when x equals 8 and x equals or y equals 6. So these are the four cases when it is possible. Therefore, the ordered pairs are, means the set, therefore the required set is, therefore the required set is what? 0 comma 10, 10 comma 0, 4 comma 6 and 6 comma 4. Fine, that's it. Yeah, this is what your required set is. Next, write the domain and range of the following relation. What is domain and range? Let's write them. Now, the set of all a comma b such that a belongs to natural number and a is less than 6 and b is equals to 4. So, for the first one, if I want to write the set, अगर मुझे इसका set लिखना है, right? What will be the set? See, it is given that the set of all first elements will be the domain and the set of all the second elements will be the range, right? So domain. So for this question, the values of a will define the domain. The values of a will define the domain. So what is your domain? Domain is all natural numbers and they are less than 6. So domain equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. And what is your range? Range is the value of b. The value of b is always 4. So what you will write? The range is 4. That's it. Similarly, for this, if I want to find what is the set of all a comma b such that a comma b both belongs to natural number and a plus b equals 12. Now, a plus b belongs to natural numbers and a plus b equals to 12. So which all values a can take? See, a plus b is equals to 12. So from natural numbers, 1 plus 11 will be equal to 12. 2 plus 10 will be equal to 12. 3 plus 9. 4 plus 8. 5 plus 7. 6 plus 6. 7 plus 5. 8 plus 4. 9 plus 3. 10 plus 2. 11 plus 1. And yeah, that's it, because 0 will not come because a and b both belongs to natural numbers. So what are domain over here? The set of all elements which are a. So again, your domain are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what all are your range? Your range are 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. So this is what your range is. Fine. So this is what one is domain and the other one is range. Fine. The next one. Now what is the domain and range of the third question? What is the domain and range of this? So again, the domain is the set of all first elements. The set of all first elements is 2. And what is range? The set of all second elements. So which are there in the second elements? 4, 5, 6, 7. So they are the range. I hope you guys have understood this. Yeah? Okay. Chalo then. Now let's move to the next. Now I'll take the next questions from your textbook. Okay. Let's continue. किया आप लोगों ने कुछ? What is given over here? क्या given है? Let a equals this and b equals this, and let R be the relation like this, where a belongs to a and b belongs to b, and a minus b is an even number. show that R is an empty relation from A to B. You have to show that this is an empty relation. Empty relation means there is nothing in the relation. Now how do we show it? देखो आपके सेट A में क्या है 6,8. सेट B में क्या है 1,3,5. और आपका रिलेशन क्या बोलता है द सेट ऑफ ऑल A, B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B and A minus B is an even number. A minus B is an even number. But is that possible? If A belongs to A and B belongs to B, see this is even number and this is odd numbers. An even number minus odd number can never be even. It will always be odd. So that's not possible only. Right? This is not possible. Right? What we know, even number minus odd number will always be an odd number. Will always be an odd number. Therefore, R is an empty set. Is an empty set. Empty set. Empty set for the relation from A to B. Fine. Now next. Write the relation in the roster form and hence find its domain and range. You have to write the relation in the roster form and you have to write what is the domain and range. Let's find. Now, first of all, the relation R1 is given by the set of all A, comma A square such that A is a prime number less than 15. A is a prime number. A is a prime number less than 15. Right? Less than 15. So which all are the prime numbers less than 15? So if I want to write the R1 in the roster form, fine. So if I write 1 is not a prime, not even a composite number. 2 is a prime number. So I will write 2, comma 2 square is what 4. The other prime number is 3 and 3 square is what 9. 4 is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 5 square is 25. 6 is not a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 7 square is 49. 8 is not, 9 is not, 10 is not, 11 is a prime number and square of it is what 121. 12 is not a prime number, 13 is a prime number, square of it is 169. 14 is not a prime number and 15 is also not a prime number. So let's complete it. So what are the domain and range of this? The domain are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and your range is 4, 9, 25, 49, 121, 169 and then close. Fine. So this is what your domain and range. Similarly, if I want to find what is the domain and range of this, the values of, let's do this also. Second sum. R2, if I want to write it in the roster form, R2 is equals to what? Lies between 0 to 5. So the first element, now it is not equals to 0, right? It is greater than 0. So the values, and A also belongs to natural number. So the first number is 1 upon 1 upon 1. So that is 1 only, right? The next ordered pair will be 2, 1 by 2. The next will be 3, 1 by 3. The next will be 4, 1 by 4. And the next will be 5, 1 by 5. The 5 will come because A is less than or equal to. That's why the 5 will also come. And now the close bracket. Now what is the domain and range of this? The domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the range is 1, half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So this is what your range is. That's it. Fine. So this is how we will solve this question. Next. Similarly, you can solve the 10th question. Now I'm going ahead of this. Find the following relation as a set of ordered pairs. Fine. So you have to find set of ordered pairs. Let's find it. The first one. Now the set of all x comma y such that y is equals to 3x and x belongs to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and y belongs to this. So if I want to write the relation in the rooster form, the given relation in the rooster form is given by, if the value of x is 1, the value of y is 3. If the value of x is 2, the value of y is 3 2s are 6. 6 belongs to y, so that's fine, you can write. The value of x is 3, then the value of y is 9. And now you cannot take the value as 4 because 4 is not there in 4 does not belongs to this. Fine. So that's it. So this will be completed. This is what your rooster form. Now your domain and range for the same will be, the domain will be 1 comma 2 comma 3 and the range for the same question will be equal to 3 comma 6 comma 9. That's it. Fine. Similarly, you can solve rest of the question also. Now I will move to the miscellaneous exercise. I'll take out the whole miscellaneous exercise first and then we'll discuss on the same. Write the following set in the set builder form. You have to write the given set in the set builder form. Now how do we write the given set in the set builder form? See over here. Now to write the given set in the set builder form, how do we write? Let your set A equals what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Fine. So your set A in the set builder form is given by, where the set of all x such that x equals 10 into n, x equals 10 into n, and where your n belongs to lies between 1 to 5 and they both are equals. Also n belongs to natural number and then close. That's it. So this is what your the given set in the set builder form. Fine. You can also express the same in a different way also, that can be done. Now for the second question. For the second question, if your set B is, let's say your set B is this A comma E comma I comma O comma U, right? Then your set B in the set builder form will be, you can write the set of all x such that x is equals to vowels of English alphabet. That's it. Vowels of English alphabet. That is A, E, I, O, U. Right? Next. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The set of all days in a week. Right? Now if U is equals to this and A, write the sets. This all questions are almost the same kind of we have already done. Fine, we'll still do it. Now let's solve question number 2. Now what is given over here? The universal set. U means the universal set. So the universal set is given by this. So if I want to write the universal set in the roster form, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 numbers in the set. And your set A is 1, 4, 7, 10. Your set B is 2, 4, 6, 7, 11. And your set C is 3, 5, 8. 9, 12. Fine. So this all are your elements in the set. Now write the set. What is A union B? A union B. So what is there in A union B? So 1, 2, 3 is there, not there. 4 is there. 5 not there. 6 is there. 7 is there. 8 is not there. 9 is not there. 10 is there. And 11 is there. So this is what your A union B. Now if they ask what is B intersection C? B intersection C means what is common between B and C? So what is common? 2 is not there. 3 is not there common. 5 is not there.
Nothing is common.
Nothing is common. Yeah, nothing is common between them. So what you will write? This is an empty set. You can also equate it like this, empty set. Next, what is A minus B? What is A minus B? So see over here, A minus B. So 1 and 2. 1 cannot be subtracted, so 1 will come. 4 gets subtracted, 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 10 minus, it cannot be subtracted, so 10 will be there. Fine, that is A minus B. Now how do you write B minus C? B minus C, 2 minus nothing will be there. So 2 will be there. 4 cannot be subtracted, 4 will be there. 6 cannot be subtracted, 6 will be there. 7 cannot be subtracted, 7 will be there. 11 cannot be subtracted, 11 will be there. But you will not write the elements from the C, right? Since it is B minus C. If it is C minus B, then it will be 3, 5, 8, 9, 12. Fine. Next, what is A union B union
Yes, sir.
C? What is A union B union C? Let's take this set below. Okay. Now what they have asked, now they have asked what is A union B union C. So A 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6 is there, 7, 8 is also there, 9 is there, 10 is there, 11 is there, and 12 is also there. So all numbers are there. What is A intersection B union C? Did we found what is B union C? No. Why we need to find A intersection B union C? So let's find what is B union C first. Fine. What is B union C first? Okay, 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 fine. So did you inform this? Fine. So what is B union C? B union C is what is there in B and C both. So that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. So this is there in B union C. Now what you have to find? What is A intersection B union C? So what is A intersection B union C? What is common between A and this B union C? What is common between these two? 4.
Sir, 4, 7.
That's it. So the answer
Sir,
for this
yes,
A,
sir. Only
yeah,
4 and 7.
yeah. So it will be the answer for this A intersection B union C will be equal to 4 and 7. 4 comma 7. That's it. Done with this question. Now let's move to the next question. Yeah. The next question is question number 3. Let's solve this. What is given? In a survey of 425 students in a school, it was found that 115 drink apple juice, 160 drink orange juice, and 80 drink both apple as well as orange juice. How many drink neither apple juice nor orange juice? So you'll find. Let's draw the diagram for this first. Fine. Let's continue. Now, in a survey of 425 students, there are in total 425 students, right? It was found that 115 drink apple juice. Suppose if this is your apple juice and there are 115 people who drink apple juice, right? Number of people who drink apple juice is 115. And the people who drink orange juice, let's say A for apple juice and O for orange juice. Okay. And number of people who drink orange juice is how much? 160. Okay. And 80 drink both apple and as well as orange, means number of people who drink apple as well as orange juice is equals to 80. So how many drink neither apple juice nor orange juice? neither apple juice nor orange juice. Fine. So for that we need to find what is the number of peoples in A union O, right? We know that number of peoples in A union O will be equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in O minus number of elements in A intersection O. So that is number of elements in A, that is 115, plus number of elements in O, that is 160, minus number of elements in A intersection O, that is 80. So if I solve this, 115 plus 80, that gives me 195. So number of people who drink apple juice or orange juice are 195. And there are how many people? There are 425. So number of people would who do not drink either juice, who do not drink either juice, will be equal to how much? 425 minus this one.
425 minus 195.
Yeah, 195. So 425 minus 195 will be 5 minus 5, 0. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 230. So that means there are 230 people who do not drink any juice. How many drink neither apple or nor orange juice? So there are 230 people who are not drinking neither apple nor orange juice. Fine? Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah, okay. Next, fourth question. Can you try by yourself the next question? Please try it on your own. Draw the diagram. And if you have any difficulty, then please ask your doubt. I'm there over here. Fine. See over here. In a school, there are 20 teachers who teach maths or physics. Maths or physics means it is a union. Means number
Yes, sir.
of number of teachers who teach maths or physics is equals to 20 20, no? Who teach maths or physics. 12 teach mathematics. Number of teachers who teach mathematics, that is 12. 4 teach both physics and mathematics. Number of teachers who teach both, that is M intersection P, that is
Yes,
4.
sir.
How many teachers teach physics? So now you have to use this formula. M union P will be equal to number of M, number of P minus number of M intersection P. That's it. Use this formula to get how many teach
So
only
12
physics.
plus 4 minus 20.
Yeah, so what is the answer?
Sir,
See, over here it will be 20. Over here it will be 12. Number of teachers who teach physics, we don't know. And number of teachers who teach both, that is 4. Right? 12 minus 4 is 12 minus 4 is 8, and 8 will go on this side, that is 20
yes, sir.
minus 18 will be equal to
12.
number of teachers who teach physics.
2.
So, oh wait. 12 minus 4 is 8. It is 8. It is not 18. It is 8. So number of teachers who teach only physics is equals to 12.
12. Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please, there's a sixth sum. Which of the relation, which of the following are relations from A to B? Now for the sixth question, tell me which of this is a relation from A to B?
Sir, option number 3.
Okay. And that's the only relation? See, this 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 and 1 comma 6 can come in this, no?
Yes, sir.
This is also the relation. 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6, this is also the relation. R3 is also a relation. R4, 4 comma 2 will not come. So therefore this is not a relation. So there are three
Yes, sir.
answers in this.
Sir, I thought I have to choose only one.
No, it
So
is not. It is not.
I
There are
chose the
three questions.
other one.
There are three options which are correct. Which of this following are relations from A to B? Determine the domain and range of the following relation. Yeah, can you do this? Question number 7. First, write the relation in the set builder for roster form, and then find what is the domain and range. What will be the roster form? Where A is less than 5 and B is equals to 4, and A belongs to N. Can you write this question in the roster form? Can you write them?
No, sir.
Why? What happened? You did not understand how to write in the roster form? See, I'll
Sir, I
explain.
understood, but I'm getting confused between the A and N.
See, I'll tell you. The relation in the roster form. See, the value of A are less than 5 and A are natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes, sir.
5, right? And A is less than 5. So the value of A starting from 1
1,
and the value of B is always 4. Next time, the value of A will be 2 and the value of B is always 4.
4.
3, 4, 4, 4. And can I write 5, comma 4?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because sir, it is given that 5 is like A is smaller than 5.
Yes, exactly. So the 5 will not come, right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So this is what the roster form. Now what is the domain? What is the domain? Domain are the set of first elements. So that are 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. And what are range? Range are the set of second elements. That is 4 only. That's it, done. So over here, we are done with the miscellaneous exercise of your chapter, relations and functions. Sorry, sets and relations. Okay. In the next class, we'll be starting with the next topic. Okay. So guys, over here, we are done for today. Chalo then. Bye.